Hello everyone. Well, my name is Kai Kiosh. I'm a Brazilian student of Industrial Engineering at Federal University of São Carlos, but currently I'm living in Madrid and studying at the UPM, the Polytechnic University of Madrid. So, in this video, I will talk about the history of paperclip, your inventor, how it's manufactured, the materials, and the user's gaps, and why I choose this artifact to talk about. I divided the presentation in six main points, and the sections will be the first, a brief history of the paperclip, the second, a short product description, the materials, and the assemble process. The third, the user's needs gaps and the farmer solutions. The fourth, my reasons for choosing this artifact. The fifth point, some design problems, and the last one, the conclusion. Well, starting, there are not too much informations about all the history of paperclip, but the very first paperclip was patented in United States by Samuel B. Fay in 1867. This clip was originally intended to attach the ticket to fabric, but the patent recognized that it could be used also to attach papers together. And what is a paperclip? The paperclip can be described like a flat of metal that slides over an edge of set of papers to and hold the papers or documents together. The clip, it's this one, and usually have an oblong shape with straight sides, but may also be triangular or circular like this one. The most common material is steel or some metal, but molded plastic it's also used. There are recent innovations that include multicolored plastic like this one or this one. The manufacturing, well, there are too many ways to produce the paperclip, but one of the most famous is the paperclip machine, patented by Double D Middlebrook. The invention consists in some sheaves that conform a thin metal wire in a traditional paperclip. The size, the common size is 2 or 3 centimeters, but there are many different sizes that you can produce. But and before the paperclip, how the people hold the papers together? Well, before the paperclip, the people use like a T-pin that it's more or less like a needle that make a little hole in the document, but the users want to attach the papers without being bent or pinched or piercing the documents. So it's common that the people paste the documents together or seal the papers, but doing this it's irreversible. So the people basically needs to attach papers, but without damaging your documents and using the paperclip, the users can attach papers without being bent or pinched or without piercing the papers. And the very first publicity of paperclip make reference of this. So they sells the idea to the people use the paperclip to don't mutilate your paper. And why I choose this to talk about? Well, the first, it's it's a very known artifact. Uh, it's it's a big utility in our daily. It's a thing that we see every time, but passes unnoticed. It's a curious artifact, and the product it's very simple to be used and versatile. But the main reason for me it's that there are other utilities beyond to attach papers. For example, some close some food package to not spoil, or for example, making wire metal with a little force like this. So now this is a metal wire. So many devices can be activated. Those that call for a very thin rod to push the reset button, which the user might only rarely need, but it's common in a CD-ROM drivers or to remove the SIM card of iPhones. The fifth point, the problems, the design problems. Well, the main problem is the amount that one clip paper can attach. Yeah, it's true that there are too many types of clip paper, the size of paper clips. But if you attach too much papers, the paper clip will extend your original size, like this, and that many times cannot be undo. Some kinds of paper clip made only by steel may rust sometimes, damaging the original document. And also the size of paper clip box which is sold. Sometimes you just need just one or two paper clips, but you have to buy 100 ones, like this one or like this one. And the conclusion is that the paper clip, it was an incontestable big invent. Despite being a simple product, it has an important function in all the areas that you find an amount of paper to be attached in school, in office, and the same paper clip can be used many times if you use it correctly, of course. But there are not an artifact similar to the paper clip. It's an invent. It's a big invent. And the important thing is that generally it has a low price, and the users can buy a package of 100 ones, like this, for just €1 or less. It's this. Thanks for watching, and please, for more information or comment something, check out the website and write me. Okay? Thank you.